Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 25th May 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 20 current affairs MCQ with explanation. For daily current affairs video, please subscribe my channel and bell the notification icon.
Question number 1. Which city has topped the Oxford Economics Global Cities Index 2024?
Answer is New York. The Oxford Economics Global Cities Index 2024, released by Oxford Economics on 21st May 2024. New York City, the USA, has topped among the world's largest 1,000 cities, followed by London, UK, and San Jose, USA, at second and third rank. In India, Delhi has ranked 350th among the world's largest 1,000 cities and emerged as the highest-ranked Indian city, followed by Bengaluru, at 411th position, Mumbai, at 427th position, Chennai, at 472nd position, and Kolkata, at 528th position.
Question number 2. University of Tokyo has inaugurated the world's highest observatory in.
Answer is Chile. The University of Tokyo has inaugurated the Atacama Observatory, TO, which has been awarded a Guinness World Record for being the highest observatory in the world. Situated at a staggering 5,640 meters above sea level on the summit of Cerro Chajnantor in the Antofagasta region of Chile. At the heart of Atacama Observatory, TO, lies a 6.5-meter optical infrared telescope designed to unravel the mysteries of the universe.
Question number 3. The first ever Emergency Medical Response System, EMRS, was inaugurated in.
Answer is Bengaluru. Air Chief Marshal Vivek Ram Chaudhary, the Chief of the Air Staff, CAS, of Indian Air Force, IAF, has inaugurated the first ever Emergency Medical Response System, EMRS, at Command Hospital Air Force, CHAF, in Bengaluru, Karnataka. The EMRS is a 24/7 telephonic medical helpline for serving IAF personnel and their families across India. This system aims to provide timely response by a team of medical and paramedical professionals to the caller experiencing an emergency anywhere in India.
Question number 4. Which Indian origin scientist has been awarded with the 2024 Shaw Prize?
Answer is Srinivas R. Kulkarni. Srinivas R. Kulkarni, an Indian origin American scientist and professor at California Institute of Technology, Caltech, has been awarded the 2024 Shaw Prize in Astronomy. The Shaw Prize, known as the Nobel of the East, honors Kulkarni's discoveries on millisecond pulsars, gamma-ray bursts, supernovae, and other transient astronomical phenomena.
Question number 5. Which Indian company has secured the third position in the ATD Best Awards 2024?
Answer is NTPC. The public sector company National Thermal Power Corporation Private Limited, NTPC, was awarded the third rank in the world for the Talent Development category at the ATD Best Awards 2024. The award ceremony was held in New Orleans, United States of America, on 21st May 2024. The Association of Talent Development, ATD, USA, gives the ATD Best Awards in the field of learning and development. The award was instituted in 2003.
Question number 6. Who has received the ATD Best Award 2024 for Excellence in Learning and Development?
Answer is Power Grid. Power Grid, a Maharatna Central Public Sector enterprise under the Ministry of Power, Government of India, has been awarded the prestigious ATD Best Awards 2024. This is the third time Power Grid has received the ATD Best Award, with previous recognitions in 2021 and 2023. The award highlights PowerGrid's innovative use of technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning.
Question number 7. United Arab Emirates has awarded the first-class Freedom Medal to the ambassador of which country?
Answer is Paraguay. Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, President of the United Arab Emirates, awarded the first-class Medal of Freedom to Jose Aguero Avila, Ambassador of the Republic of Paraguay to the United Arab Emirates, on the occasion of the end of his tenure. The medal was awarded to Avila in appreciation of her efforts during her tenure, which contributed to the development and advancement of bilateral relations in various fields.
Question number 8. Which state government has launched the DRIMS platform for disaster management?
Answer is Assam. Assam has taken a significant step towards enhancing its disaster management capabilities with the launch of the Disaster Reporting and Information Management System, DRIMS. This state-of-the-art digital platform, an initiative of the Assam State Disaster Management Authority, ASTMA, aims to streamline the reporting and assessment of damages caused by various disasters, enabling prompt disbursal of aid to those affected.
Question number 9. Which football club has won the 2023-24 UEFA Europa League?
Answer is Atlanta BC. The Italian football club Atlanta BC defeated the German football club Bayer Leverkusen 3-0 in the final of the 2023-24 UEFA Europa League. Played at the Aviva Stadium in Dublin, Republic of Ireland, on 23 May 2024. Serie A Italian football club, Atlanta BC, was playing its first European final. It was Bayer Leverkusen's third European final, having won 1 and lost 2.
Question number 10. Saga Dawa, a Buddhist festival, is observed every year in.
Answer is Sikkim. Sikkim has observed the festival of Saga Dawa on 23 May 2024 on the occasion of Buddha Purnima. The Saga Dawa, also known as the Triple Blessed Festival, falls annually on the 15th day of the 4th month of the Tibetan Buddhist calendar. Saga means the 4th and Dawa means month in Tibetan. The Buddhists across the world are celebrating the Buddha Purnima, which marks the enlightenment of Siddhartha Gautama as Lord Buddha.
Question number 11. Who was appointed as the acting Chief Justice of Madhya Pradesh High Court?
Answer is Sheel Nagu. On 22 May 2024, the Government of India has appointed Justice Sheel Nagu as the acting Chief Justice of Madhya Pradesh High Court in Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. He has succeeded Justice Ravi Vijay Kumar Malimat, who retired on 23 May 2024. Sheel Nagu started practicing in the High Court of Madhya Pradesh in 1987. He appointed as an additional judge of the High Court of Madhya Pradesh in 2011 and permanent judge in 2013.
Question number 12. Ligus garvale, a new spider species, was identified in.
Answer is Karnataka. A team of naturalists have discovered Ligus garvale, a new species of jumping spider which was found in Garvale village of the Kodagu district, Karnataka. The discovery has been published in the journal Zootaxa. Jumping spiders are the largest family of spiders, with more than 6,380 species belonging to the family Salticidae.
Question number 13. RBI has approved how much amount as dividend payout to the central government for 2023-24?
Answer is Rs 2.11 lakh crore. The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, has approved a Rs 2.11 lakh crore dividend payout to the central government for 2023 to 24. The decision was taken at the 608th meeting of the Central Board of Directors of the Reserve Bank of India held under the chairmanship of Governor Shaktikanta Das. The dividend payout was 87,416 crore rupees for 2020 to 23.
Question number 14. Who has clinched the gold in shot put at World Para Athletics Championship 2024?
Answer is Sachin Khilari. In Para Athletics, India's Sachin Sarjerao Khilari clinched the gold medal in the men's shot put at the World Para Athletics Championship 2024 in Kobe, Japan. He also set a new Asian record with a throw of 16.30 meters in the F46 category to defend his title at the World Championships. Another Indian, Dharambir, bagged the bronze medal in the men's club throw. His final throw distance of 33.31 meters.
Question number 15. International Day to End Obstetric Fistula is observed every year on.
Answer is 23rd May. The United Nations, UN, International Day to End Obstetric Fistula is annually observed across the globe on 23rd May. To raise awareness about obstetric fistula, one of the most serious and tragic childbirth injuries that can affect both the mother and the child. The 2024 theme of this day is Breaking the Cycle, Preventing Fistula Worldwide. On 20th December 2012, the United Nations General Assembly, UNG, adopted 23rd May as the International Day to End Obstetric Fistula.
Question number 16. In 2024, International Vesak Day was observed on.
Answer is 23rd May. The United Nations, UN, International Day of Vesak, also known as Buddha Purnima or Buddha Jayanti in India, is annually observed across the globe on the day of the full moon in May. In 2024, this day falls on 23rd May 2024. This day acknowledges the birth of Prince Siddhartha Gautama, who later became known as a Buddha and founded Buddhism. Buddha Purnima 2024 marks the 2586th birth anniversary of Gautam Buddha.
Question number 17. United Nations has proclaimed which date as the International Day of the Markhor?
Answer is 24th May. United Nations General Assembly has proclaimed 24th May as the International Day of the Markhor. This resolution, sponsored by Pakistan and 8 other countries. The Markhor, Capra falconeri, also known as the screw-horned goat, is the national animal of Pakistan. It is a majestic wild goat known for its striking spiral-shaped horns, which can grow up to 1.6 meters, 5.2 feet, in length, making them the largest horns of any living caprid species.
Question number 18. World Thyroid Day is observed every year on.
Answer is 25th May. World Thyroid Day is observed globally on 25th May every year. The theme of World Thyroid Day 2024 is Non-Communicable Diseases, NCDs. The main purpose of the World Thyroid Day is to aware of the importance of thyroid and the prevention and treatment of thyroid diseases. On 25th May 1965, the European Thyroid Association was founded. This organization was the first one to recognize World Thyroid Day.
Question number 19. International Missing Children's Day is observed every year on.
Answer is 25th May. International Missing Children's Day is observed globally on 25th May every year. This day is observed for missing children, who have found their way home, remember those that are victims of crime, and continue efforts to seek out those that are still missing. 25th May is now widely referred to as Missing Children's Day, with the forget-me-not flower as its emblem. The day was proclaimed in 1983 by US President Ronald Reagan.
Question number 20. Africa Day is annually observed across Africa on.
Answer is 25th May. Africa Day is annually observed across the continent of Africa on 25th May to commemorate the founding of the Organization of African Unity, OAU. The theme of Africa Day 2024 is Educate an African Fit for the 21st Century, building resilient education systems for increased access to inclusive, lifelong, quality, and relevant learning in Africa. Organization of African Unity, OAU, was created on 25th May 1963, was transformed and remodeled into the African Union, AU, on 9th July 2002. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.